on how you can land your dream guest. First off, genuinely follow and engage with them on social media. Go to where the people are at and start engaging with that guest. Secondly, don't go to the place where there's the most noise or the most competition or it's saturated. Just as an example, Evan Carmichael's got like, let's say 1 million followers on Instagram. Well, he also is on YouTube and he's on Twitter and he's on Facebook and he has an email list and he has a mastermind, right? So why don't you find the place where you can provide value to that person, where you can engage with them and actually have a chance of standing out? Because you're never going to stand out on Instagram, ladies and gentlemen. You're just going to be a needle in a haystack. Where can you go that person is that you actually have the chance of standing out? And make sure that you're supporting whatever they're pushing right now. Did they just launch a book? Support it. Are they launching a new course? Support it, share it, give them a shout out. When you show love, you get love, okay? This is the way that life works.